Hello, my name is Alexey. I continue to publish video tutorials and reviews. If this video will be useful to you, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button under this video. In this way, you will help other users to find necessary information and my channel will be running better. All links from the video can be found in the description below. In previous free video tutorials, we create a website on Joomla 4 from scratch. We use only free extensions. The result was a business website which was uploaded to the hosting. The previously recorded video tutorials for Joomla 4 are almost completely relevant for current version of Joomla 5.3. At least this is valid on May 8, 2025. In this video review, we will talk about Joomla 5.3. Joomla 5.3 is a version of Joomla content management system released on April 15, 2025. Changes have been made to the router to reduce duplicates. A new files folder has been added, and compatibility with PHP 8.4 has been improved. A total of 274 different changes have been made in Joomla 5.3. In this video review, we will talk about the biggest changes in Joomla 5.3 compared to version 5.2. There are some changes in the router. For example, fixes for some issues with URL handling for tags. I mean this component. If URLs previously contained IDs and the option to remove them was later enabled, a 404 error used to occur for URLs with IDs. Now they are automatically redirected to the corresponding URLs without IDs. Also, several other router improvements have also been made to reduce pages duplication. A new files folder has been added in Media. It is similar to the Images folder, but is intended for storing non-image files such as PDFs, docx, zips, and other. You can create subfolders within it, rename them, delete them, and perform other actions available in the Images folder. The new folder helps simplify file organization. As before, files in this folder can be added to the articles and used elsewhere on the site. In Joomla Media field type, here it is, the Files folder is now used by default as the default file location. However, this setting can be changed in the configuration. If the site was previously updated from the previous version of Joomla, you need to go to Content, Media, Options, and here for paths to files and folders, enter Files. There is some improvement in module called Articles Newsflash. It's a legacy module, but you can still use it. A new option, Read More Links, here it is. If you enable it, this option already were there, and here is a new option, Read More with Title. You can use Global, Hide or Show. This allows for more flexible control over how the article title is displayed on the Read More button in this module. There are other changes, for example, improved compatibility with PHP 8.4. Also, when using Send Test Mail here in Global Configuration, System, Send Test Mail, test emails are now sent to the current user email address. You can see this address here in your profile. Also in System, Schedule a Task, a new feature has been added to view the task execution history. Here it is. Also, there are some improvements for accessibility of the contact component for screen readers, and email address in the search result of the Smart Search component is now hide more careful from the bots. Also, there are dozens of other code fixes and improvements. According to the official website, security updates will be released for Joomla 4.4 until October 14, 2025. The bug fixes for this CMS branch ends on October 15, 2024. The new features will no longer be added to Joomla 4, so you should think about choosing the right time to update your site from Joomla 4 to 5. Please note, updating Joomla 3 to 4 is much longer, complex, and expensive process than updating from Joomla 4 to 5. Considering minimum changes in terms of the admin interface and site management logic, all video tutorials and instructions previously recorded for Joomla 4 are relevant for Joomla 5.3. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, this is Alexey, see you soon in new tutorials.